Hello kids, welcome to the EVS session. In this class we are going to learn about the main 5 seasons in India.
These are the 4 seasons of the year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The flowers and the leaves are growing fast, growing fast, growing fast. The flowers and the leaves are growing fast all spring long. The flowers and the trees are colorful and bright, colorful and bright, colorful and bright. The flowers and the trees are colorful and bright all summer long. The flowers and the leaves are falling on the ground, falling on the ground, falling on the ground. The flowers and the leaves are falling on the ground all autumn long. The snow is covering the trees and the ground, trees and the ground, trees and the ground. The snow is covering the trees and the ground all winter long. These are the 4 seasons we know: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now peep out of your window and let us know the season you see.
Kids, one more beautiful season is there and that is rainy season.
Pitter patter, hear the raindrops chitter chatter. Get your umbrellas and raincoats. Time to float your paper boats. It's fun to look for earthworms around. Don't you get scared by the thunder sound. It's time for us to dance in the rain. The greener days are here again. Pitter patter, hear the raindrops chitter chatter. Get your umbrellas and raincoats. Time to float your paper boats. It's fun to look for earthworms around. Don't you get scared by the thunder sound. It's time for us to dance in the rain. The greener days are here again.
Kids, open page number 34 of your EVS book and our today's topic is the seasons wheel. The seasons wheel. So there are 5 main seasons and the seasons in this page, on this page is all the seasons they are representing by few pictures. Okay, so you have to color the pictures related to different seasons. So first season is here is spring season. This is spring season. Spring is pleasant season. Flowers bloom out and honeybee and bees, they collect nectar from the flowers, okay, to make honey. This is summer season. In summer there is hot sun. We feel hot. Rainy season, it rains in rainy season. Autumn, the leaves of the trees shed down. The leaves of the trees shed down from the trees and the new leaves arise. Winter season, there is cold winter, cold waves, and we can see snow all around. Okay, so this is a seasons wheel and you have to color the pictures. So first I am starting with spring season. So this is bee, honeybee. So I am coloring it in orange color. Okay, orangish yellow color I have taken and I am starting from the face part. Okay, the face of the bee, honey bee. So I have done one part in orangish yellow color. The other part I am doing in black color. Okay, honeybee's color is what? Black, somewhat orangish brown. So I am doing orange and black color. Now again I am doing orange color. Orange, black, then again orange color. Okay, again orange color. And then again black color. Okay, finished. Now the feathers I am doing in orange color. Wings of the bee I am doing in orange color. Okay, do it. So this is finished. And flower color is red or pink. So I am doing red in the flower. Okay, I am doing red in the flower. You can do any color. Okay, flowers are of different colors, so you can do color of your choice. Okay kids, so this is done, and this part I am doing green. Okay, so spring season is finished. Okay, now come to summer season. This is sun, and sun is of which color? Yellow color. So I am doing yellow color in sun. Okay, completely do cover it. Color the sun in yellow color. Okay, so I have completed the sun now. Now clouds. Okay, now clouds, black clouds for rain, or you can do blue also. Okay, either blue or black in clouds. Okay, so I am doing blue color in clouds. Okay, do it. Blue color in clouds. So now I am completing other clouds. Okay, so I have completed both the clouds of rainy season. Now come to autumn season. In autumn season, leaves shed from the trees, and these leaves are the drier ones. So I am doing little bit yellowish shade. Yellow or brown you can do in this leaf. Okay, autumn leaves. Okay, now I have finished this leaf. Now I am coming to winter season. In winter, the trees are also covered with snow, so they are in white color only, but the tree's original color is green. So I am doing light shade of green. Okay, so I am doing light shade of green in these trees. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is winter season. So I have completed seasons wheel. Okay, you can also draw this in the drawing copy. Okay, winter season, autumn season, rainy season, summer season, and spring season. Okay, okay, open page number 35 of your book. Okay, and now the first season is what? Summer season. Summer season. Summer season. Now read here. Look at the summer pictures. Think of a story using them. So you have to make a story using summer things. These all are the things we use in summer season. Okay, so one poem is there. We are going to read it. Okay, summer is here. Summer is here, and it's really hot. In summer season you feel hot. So many things summer has got. So many things summer has got. We get many things in summer. See, so many things. Sweet mangoes. You all like to eat sweet mangoes? Ice cream, your favorite. Watermelons. See, this is watermelon. And many holidays for everyone. Sweet mangoes, ice cream, watermelons, and many holidays for everyone. So this is the nice poem about summer. Okay. So now see, draw your favorite ice cream, color it. So in this oval shape you have to draw an ice cream, okay, and color it. So kids, start making an ice cream. Okay. First, like this, V, write V. Okay, write V here. Or you can say one inverted triangle. Inverted triangle. Okay. Then make a curve here. And one more curve here. Okay. And a cherry here. So your ice cream is ready. And you can make slanting lines. And okay, like this, to give the proper shape of look of softy cone. Okay, so your ice cream is ready. Now we are going to color it. Okay, so the cone is what? Cone, ice cream's cone is brown in color. So I am doing brown in the cone, or you can do yellow also. Yellow also looks good, or orange also. I am doing little bit orange shade. Okay, in the ice cream cone. Do it. Do the coloring. Okay, so I have finished this cone. Now I am doing the creamy part, and I am using strawberry cream. So I am doing pink color. Okay, you love strawberry ice cream, so I am doing pink in color. So I have done pink color as a strawberry cream. Now I am doing which cream you want. Now I am taking blackcurrant purple cream. Okay, you love blackcurrant ice cream? No? Okay. See? It looks beautiful. And now what is the color of cherry? Red color. So I am putting one round cherry on the ice cream. See what a yummy ice cream. You want to eat it? No, beta, don't eat it now. You have to draw and color it only. Okay? So finish this coloring. And there are many things we use in summer. Watermelon, lemon, sun, goggles, juice, fan, mango and ice cream. Okay? Now kids, open page number 36. Now we have learned about summer season. Now summer holidays. In summer season, you get summer holidays. Let's look at some of the things we do during our summer holidays. What you do during your holidays, summer holidays in May and June? Visit our grandparents. Some children go to visit their grandparents, grandfather and grandmother. Okay? You also love to visit your grandparents? Yes? Okay, you should obey and take good care of your grandparents. Now go to a summer camp. Some children, they join summer camp for art and craft, for drawing, for dance, for learning English, for learning how to do proper work, how to write properly. Okay, so go to a summer camp. Some children, they join summer camp. Okay, and go to a beach. Some children, they go to beach. Okay, with their parents, like Goa and all. Okay, and learn to swim. Some children learn some skills during summer holidays. Some children learn to swim. They learn how to swimming. Learn to skate. Some children learn how to skating. Okay, and some children learn to paint. Some children learn how to paint, how to draw objects, how to color. You also do these things during summer holidays? Yes, kids? Yes? Wow, very good. You should join summer camp. You should visit your grandparents. You should enjoy holidays at beach. You should polish your skills of learning, skating, drawing and coloring, writing. Okay, so these are the activities you choose for summer. Kids, now open page number 37. Okay, and now the other season is rainy season. Rainy season. So in rainy season, we see clouds, umbrella, raindrops, okay, black clouds of rain, boat. Okay, now there is a poem we are going to recite. Clouds are rumbling in the sky. Clouds are rumbling in the sky. Rumbling means the sound of the clouds, ghar sound, thundering sound. Okay. Clouds are rumbling in the sky. Clouds are rumbling in the sky. But my umbrella keeps me dry. But my umbrella keeps me dry. I can sail my paper boat. I can sail my paper boat and wear my smart raincoat. I can sail my paper boat and wear my smart raincoat. So in rainy season, you carry umbrella, you sail paper boat. Children make boat of paper and sail it in the water, and also you wear raincoat and gumboots. So this is all about rain. So you have to make a paper boat and stick it here. So now I am going to show you how to make a paper boat. Okay, so for making paper boat, we need one square origami sheet. Okay, take one origami sheet. Now you have to keep it like this. Okay, from the white side like this. Now you have to hold the one corner. Okay, hold the one corner, any one corner, and fold it to the opposite corner. It means you have to make a triangle shape. Make a triangle shape. See, make a triangle shape. Hold the corner, first corner to the opposite corner like this, and then press it properly. You have to press it. See, kids, which shape is this? This is a triangle shape. Okay, now I am telling you the very easiest way of making a paper boat. See, now you have to hold it from this side and just give a small fold here, and again press it, and you know a paper boat is ready to sail. Okay, but this is very big. You please cut the sheet into small square and then make. And now paste it here. Or you can paste it on the poem also. Okay. On the poem also you can paste it. Okay. Like this. Okay. You can paste like this also. If your paper boat is big, use whole page. Understood? Just make a triangle shape and fold it, and paper boat is ready. Okay, kids? Kids, now read this. Paste paper raincoats on the children. Your teacher will help you. Now we are going to paste what? Raincoats here. Okay. Now see, again for raincoat, we need an origami sheet. This is the square sheet. Now see, first you have to fold it like this. Okay. Like this. You have to fold it like this. You can also use a scale. Okay, just take a measurement with the scale like this. Okay, you have to fold it here. Just measure it 2 or 3 centimeter. Okay, just here are numbers on the scale 0, 1, 2, 3. So where 3 is written or 2 is written, okay, just put a point and fold it like this. Okay, 2 centimeter you have to fold like this, or you don't require any scale, just by an idea you can fold it. Okay, like this. Done. Now see, now you have to fold from one side and overlap it properly on the other side and make a crease here. Proper crease. Okay, done. First, I have taken square sheet, fold it like this. Okay, then I fold it like this, and again I have opened. Now here we have got a crease, a middle line. So now hold from one side and fold it up to this line. Okay, fold it up to here, middle line, this line fold. Okay, and the same, hold this second side and again bring it to the middle line, but don't overlap. दोनों एक दूसरे के ऊपर नहीं आने चाहिए. Okay, like this. Done. Now hold one side and make a triangle shape here. Hold another side and again make a triangle shape here. And your raincoat is ready to wear. But this raincoat is big for this girl, so I am going to fold it from here. So just keep it like this and fold it. Okay, like this. So this is it is big now also, so we have to fold it more like this. Okay, to the height of the boy or girl. Now it is okay, so paste it here. You have to paste it with the Fevicol. And one more raincoat we need for the boy. So one more time I am showing you. Look, again take one origami sheet. Okay, paper, square paper, and just fold it 1 or 2 centimeter or by just taking measurement by your own, like this. Okay, then we have to fold it like this properly. Your white paper should not be seen here. Okay, just like this and make a crease. Now again open it and fold it to the middle line. One side, the other side also you have to fold it to the middle portion like this. Understood? Now we have to make the collars by opening this. One side like this and other side like this. And our raincoat is ready to wear. Now this is for boy. It is big for boy. So again we are going to fold it to the size of the boy. From the back side you have to fold it. Okay. And now our raincoat is good for boy. So you have to paste it here. Okay. One raincoat for girl and one raincoat for boy. Okay. And paper boat you have to paste it. Okay, understood? So, complete this page. Kids, open page number 38. And here, the topic is Meet the Rainbow Fairy. Meet the Rainbow Fairy. You see rainbow in which season? Rainy season. After rains, we see rainbow in the sky. Now, read this. 2 grey clouds were flying in the sky. 2 grey clouds were flying in the sky. They flew so fast that they bumped their heads. They flew so fast that they bumped their heads and began to cry. A kind fairy said, "Oh, never mind, my dears." A kind fairy said, "Oh, never mind my tears. I will send my fairies and elves to wipe away your tears. I will send my fairies and elves to wipe away your tears." The fairies and elves came dressed in violet, indigo blue. The fairies and elves came dressed in violet, indigo blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and stood in a row. Green, yellow, orange, red, and stood in a row. Voila! They made the beautiful rainbow. Voila! They made the beautiful rainbow. So this poem is about 2 clouds and these gray clouds, they are filled up with water, and they bump their heads, okay? They collide, they hit each other, and what happened? Begin to cry. It means raining. It is raining. When these clouds touch each other, it rains heavily. Then a beautiful fairy came out and said, "Don't cry. I am sending my fairies and elves to wipe away your tears after rain." You see rainbow after rain. So that is just a fairy. Okay, and the color of the dress of the fairy is what? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. All stood in a row. Line. Here, starts from here. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and last one is red. Now kids, read here. Color the rainbow with suitable colors. So, the order of coloring the rainbow is given here. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange. So, all the colors together, they are called Vibgyor. So, write it here. Okay. V I B Vibgyor. G. Okay. Vibgyor. G Y O and R. Vibgyor. V for violet. I for indigo. B for blue. G for green. Y for yellow. O for orange. And R for red. So this is the sequence of coloring the rainbow, and in short, from all the colors we have taken the first letter V, I, B, G, Y and O and red, and it forms the spelling Vibgyor. What is the spelling? Vibgyor. And in the same sequence we are going to color the what? What is this? Rainbow. Okay. And in place of clouds we are going to paste cotton. Okay. Cotton we paste it as what? Clouds. And color, and the sequence starts from here. So violet color start from here. Violet is what? Purple color. Okay. This is the violet color. So I am starting doing the first strip of the rainbow. You have to color this strip only. Okay. This strip only in violet color. Okay. So do the color. Do it. And you have to do it very carefully. The color will not go to the another strip. Okay. Do it. Indigo color is dark blue. So now I am doing dark blue in the second strip. Okay. Dark blue in the second strip. This color is called indigo. Dark blue, indigo color. Okay. Indigo is a plant which gives blue stain. That's why indigo. Okay. So I have done indigo color. Okay. Now in third strip, B for blue. So light blue. Okay. After indigo or dark blue, you have to do which color? Light blue color. Okay. So do light blue color. Okay. Do it properly. The color should not go to the other strip. Okay. So I have done blue color. Now in fourth strip, which comes? Jigger green. So now I am going to do green color. Okay. In the fourth strip, I am doing green color. You also start doing green color. So now I have finished green color. Okay. Now in fifth strip, which color comes? Y for yellow. So now I am doing yellow color in the fifth strip. Okay. In the fifth strip, I am doing yellow color. Okay. So now I have finished yellow color. Now the next, the sixth strip, which color is there after green? After green, yellow, and then orange. So now we have to do orange color. Okay, do orange color. So after orange, the last color of the rainbow is red color. So now I am doing red color. Okay, so now completely fill with red color. Okay, do red color, the last topmost color. Okay, so now I have finished red color and my rainbow is completed. Okay, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are the 7 colors of the rainbow, and in short we call it Vibgyor. Okay, and now I am going to paste cotton on these 2 clouds. Okay, so take some cotton and paste it on the clouds. Paste it as clouds. Okay, take a little cotton, just roll it down properly and put some Fevicol or glue. Okay, and then paste it here. Okay, as clouds. You can spread it also. Okay, so one I have done. Now take another cotton. Okay, take more cotton and then again make a ball of it, spread it and put it as paste Fevicol and paste it as clouds. Okay, just spread this cotton. Okay, let it be dry. So this is our beautiful rainbow with clouds. Okay, so this is a rainbow. Let's come to page number 39 of your book, and topic is winter season. Winter season, colder season. Now read out. Let's look at some of the things we do in winter. What we do in winter? We wear warm clothes in winter, scarf, cap. Okay, we wear warm clothes. Okay, woolen clothes in winter. Drink something hot. Drink something hot. We use hot drinks in winter season. We can also make a snowman in colder region where there is rainfall, where there is snowfall. People used to make a snowman of ice, snow. Snowman is made up of snow only. Okay, and learn to skiing. Okay, on ice, on snow, people learn to skate or ski. Okay, now color to complete the winter scene. Now you have to color this scene, and this is the scene of a winter. So these are mountains and these are the trees. These trees are found in colder places. Okay, now I'm starting with mountains. So this is snow, so don't color it. Let it be white, or you can use light yellow shade. Okay, but first color the mountains with brown color. Okay, color it. Use very light shade of brown. Okay, so I have done mountains. Now I am doing trees of green color. Okay, do coloring in trees. Okay kids, so I have colored this in green and leave these portions white because this is snow. Okay, so complete it. Okay, now kids, open page number 40 of your book, and the next season is spring season. So read. Spring is here. We can see flowers blooming everywhere. Look at the given flowers. Take your favorite flower. So in spring season, the weather is very pleasant and flowers are blooming. Okay, all over. So there are many flowers. For flowers, we will learn in detail in the next video. in this, you just read the names. Okay. This is a rose. Sunflower. This one is daisy. Lotus, and lotus is our national flower. Marigold, jasmine and violet. Okay. Rose, sunflower, daisy, lotus, marigold, jasmine and violet. So you have to take your favorite flower. And my favorite flower is lotus. So I am putting right here. And which is your favorite flower? You can say my favorite flower is rose. Put it right here. My favorite flower is sunflower, right here, like that. Okay. So this is the scene of spring season. Or the children are playing happily because this season is very pleasant. Okay. So read it.